Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. How's it going? I've got a really great video for you here today, especially if you're doing Shopify Print on Demand. I'm going to show you by far the biggest print on demand catalog ever with over 500 different print on demand products that you'll be able to add into your store ASAP. And print on demand plus Shopify is still by far the best business model that's online today. And with this app, you could sell over 500 different products, physical products, without ever touching them. And print on demand is way more than t-shirts. I'm going to show you inside of the product catalog. But winning stores, winning print on demand Shopify stores are always focusing on expanding their product catalog and offering new and exciting products to their customer base. And with over 500 products here, you could literally launch a new product a day for almost 2 years. It's unbelievable. This is by far the biggest product catalog out there. And when you're comparing different print-on-demand apps, you want to take a look at a lot of different things. First of all, you need to have an app that's going to have a huge variety of products. That's number one. So you'll basically have a never-ending flow and a never-ending supply of new and exciting things for your customers to buy. You also want the print-on-demand app to be super easy to use, super easy to set up. I'm going to go over the shoulder and show you exactly how to use it. And you're going to want, and I also want, an app that offers fast printing and shipping. That's obviously super important, right? We need to get our products to our customers ASAP, and we need branding options as well, so we could build that long-term brand. We're talking about custom bags, neck and sleeve printing, things that really let you go the extra mile. And of course, you also need great seller support to make sure that you can grow as you scale this business. And to do this, you're going to use Melon. You see the link directly below this video. Melon is a print-on-demand app for Shopify, and it's incredibly powerful with over 500 different print-on-demand products. I highly recommend it. You see the link directly below this video. In fact, I'm going to bring right over here the Shopify app page, and you're going to be able to take a look. We'll install it and go over the shoulder. I'll show you exactly how to use it. But you could take a look at kind of the big selling points about Melon. Huge variety. The most print-on-demand products by far, not even close. The next biggest competitor has about 300. We're talking about over 500 print-on-demand products. Super fast US-based shipping as well. A really cool thing about Melon, they do all the printing and fulfilling, everything in-house. They own all the machinery, they own the technology. Nothing is outsourced here. You're going to get that fast printing, fulfillment, and shipping. And they also have great quality. Really cool in terms of their product catalog. I'll speak more to that as we go over the shoulder, but it's a seamless way for you to get print on demand into your Shopify store. It's a one-stop shop, free to install this app, and incredibly powerful. Again, they handle the printing and shipping in-house in California, so you're going to get that super fast US shipping. And I want to go over the shoulder and show you a little demo. I'll add this into my store, add a product into it, show you how easy it is to work with Melon. Again, all you need to do is go down here, look at the link below this video. You can also take a look at printmelon.com. I'll bring that out over here as well. You take a look at some of what they're going to be talking about here, but I'm going to show you all the most important things as we go ahead and press the black install button here and get this into your store. So again, link directly below this video, press install. We'll go step by step over the shoulder. So I've got the app installed. We'll go ahead and open it up. You could also use Melon with Etsy and have that full automation on an Etsy store. So now that we're inside of our account, you can now see the Melon Shopify catalog. We're under here over available products. And you'll always be able to get back to this app inside of the app section in your Shopify store. So I want to show you some of the real cool things that are available here inside of Melon. But first I want to talk about the actual print quality. All right, first of all, there's some really cool brands like Comfort Colors. Pretty new, very popular. I'm going to show you the products over here. Comfort Colors, not only are they super soft, but they work very well with printing in terms of that design that you're going to want to have looking crisp, looking sharp, looking high definition. Highly recommend using these Comfort Colors. You're not going to find these at many other or really any other print on demand companies. Very cool and very popular right now. So highly want you to take a look at these. They also have shirts of all different brands, starting at about, I think, $8, $9 for your men's shirts, your kind of go-to staple shirts. And again, taking a look at those Comfort Colors products. They also print at 1200 DPI in terms of their DTG, their direct-to-garment printing. Most companies are printing at 600 DPI. They're at 1200. That's double the print quality. Again, going to ensure that they have those very sharp prints, those high definition prints. Here you see $8 for that heavy cotton t-shirt, Gildan 5000, very popular t-shirt there. So hundreds and hundreds, in fact, over 500 products inside, over 500, I think the exact count, 536 different products. You see all the different categories over here: recycled products, made in the USA, big and tall, comfort colors, fashion, streetwear, 100% polyester, athletic wear, shirts for pets, mugs, tons and tons of kids, babies, youth, toddler sizes. Very popular and something you don't see with print on demand companies. Definitely want to offer these sizes in your store. You can take a look at some of the youth cuts over here for stuff. Over here you see really unique products and your staple products. Really cool over here. They have great printing qualities. You're also going to be able to print on the sleeve, as well as having neck printing, clear bags in terms of having your logo for that full branding. But let me show you how this is going to actually work. I'll show you a couple of really cool products that I want you to pay attention to. Of course, we have things like baby shirts, but it's really cool when we can actually have things like accessories as well. So for only $6, you could have this custom print on demand bib. And just like any other print on demand product, you're going to be able to add your design on here. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get this into your store. So we'll come over here and click Upload New Design. We're going to then come over and drag our print on demand design. You typically want a transparent PNG file. So I've uploaded this basketball heart file. Go ahead and click Upload Image. Really easy. You're taking this print on demand design, going to place it right on this baby rib bow tie bib. Really cool. Only $6 plus shipping. Click on here and find out more about the different shipping rates over here to make sure that you're covering those on your store. And we have full control over where this is going to go, full control over sizing, make it bigger, make it smaller, right? You see exactly what we're doing here. We're creating this basketball related baby rib bow tie bib. Very cool, only $6. You could easily sell this for $19.99 plus shipping. You see up here some different variants. We have the light blue and we have the white and black. So you could choose between those. I like that blue, especially for baby related products. And now we'll click Save My Product. And here's what we're going to do to actually get this product into our store. We'll first go ahead and give it a title and a price. So I gave it a title, I Heart Basketball Baby Bib. I gave it my price over here. We can include adding a clear bag if you want to the printing. We're going to leave that off over here. It comes with basically a kind of default product description. I added a little bit on top of that. You have full control over that. Inside the description, you'll be able to add different sizes. If there were like a t-shirt, you could select the different sizes that they have. And Print Melon has some really cool big and tall sizes as well. Down here, we could select the actual individual colors that we want to have, white and black, light blue. We'll select both of them and we'll click confirm. Really, really easy over here. We see a little preview of what's going on in terms of our I Heart Basketball bib. You see over here, it's got our cost, it's got the colors chosen, the size, just a one size all. And you see that it's not published yet. Right, and you could load up this kind of pending my products page before you publish these products. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this right now. We'll click the check mark over here and we can come over and click publish. And it's as simple as that. This product is now going to be in our store. You see it says publishing. Just takes a couple of seconds. And this product, which we'll never touch, we'll never have to buy inventory up front, this is going to be in our store right now through Print Melon. And just like that, it's in our store. You see the title that we gave it, I Heart Basketball Baby Bib. You see the different colors that were available as well inside here. So we have the selection here with that same price that we got. We have our product description that we added in and the default in there, all added in just really a couple of seconds. Super easy to use. And now this product is available to be ordered, right? You don't have to order this up front. You're never even going to have to touch this product. That's the whole power of print on demand with Print Melon. And once orders come in, you'll be able to track them right inside here in the order section. You'll be able to see the tracking number and the status. So you'll be in full control of what's going on with all the orders. You literally saw the entire process right there. You just go through and pick some of the really cool products that they have inside of the catalog. And again, some of those really cool brands, like I was talking about, comfort colors, really, really great in terms of that vibrant print, that HD print on a super soft garment. So highly recommend playing around with these. You see the long sleeve shirt over here and it works incredibly easy. Like you saw before, you just simply upload a new design. You could even select an existing design if we want to go ahead and reuse this design over here. We could resize, right? We can move it around, reposition it, come right over here. We could even do different areas of printing. Let's say we wanted to the back or a label, different types of printing over here, full control, different colors as well. Take a look at how that looks on a blue, which looks really good. Incredibly powerful, incredibly easy to get this into your store as you saw. Highly recommended. So that was Print Melon, print on demand. you see just how easy it is to use, but how powerful it is with that massive 500 plus product print on demand catalog. Couldn't recommend these guys any higher. Take a look at the link directly below this video. Get Print Melon into your store, totally free to install. And again, highly recommended. So I hope this helps you grow a massive print on demand business. If you have any questions, drop a comment. Otherwise, hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.